Is a next-gen Minecraft experience finally on the horizon for PlayStation 5 players? Let's dive into the rumors, the evidence, and what a true PS5 upgrade could actually mean for the block-building behemoth. For years, PS5 owners have been playing the PS4 version of Minecraft via backwards compatibility. While it's playable, it lacks the graphical fidelity and performance enhancements seen on other platforms. This means no ray tracing, no significantly boosted resolution, and overall, just not the full potential of your powerful console being utilized. So, what's fueling the upgrade speculation? Well, there have been whispers online from credible sources suggesting that Mohan is actively working on a native PS5 version. These rumors often point towards enhanced visuals, faster loading times, and potentially even exclusive features tailored for the PlayStation ecosystem. Imagine Minecraft with crisper textures, seamless animations, drastically reduced load times, and the immersive feedback of the DualSense controller bringing your blocky world to life. Think haptic feedback for mining, adaptive triggers for using bows, and a richer, more engaging experience overall. While Mohan hasn't officially announced anything yet, the evidence continues to mount. Keep an eye on official channels and industry news for any potential announcements. A native PS5 version of Minecraft could be a game-changer. That's all for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Minecraft news, theories and updates. What features are you most hoping for in a possible PS5 upgrade? Share your thoughts in the comments below.